Let's start the class. Explain the lab activity. This is very important in 4 marks question. Explain the lab activity. Let's start this lab activity. First one, aim. Determination of focal length of biconvex lens. Biconvex lens means double convex lens using UV method. This is aim. Focal length of biconvex lens using UV method. U means object distance. V means image distance. U means object distance. V means image distance. Next one, material required. First one, V stand. V stand is a V shape. Next one, convex lens. Double convex lens. Next one, light source. Candle or lamp. Okay, I am taken candle. Next one, screen. Next after that, meter scale. 100 centimeter scale. Once again repeated. Material required. First one, V stand. Second one, convex lens. Third one, light source, candle. Third one, screen, white screen shot. And last one, meter scale, 100 centimeters. This is materials. Next one, procedure. Okay, take a V stand. This is V stand. V shape is there. This is V shape. V shape means V stand. This is V stand. Next after that, light source. I am taken candle. This is candle. Light source. I am taken candle. Next after that, screen. Okay, white shot. This is screen. White chart. Next after that, meter scale. 100 centimeter meter scale. This meter scale. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is meter scale. How many materials is there? 5 materials. Candle, V stand, screen, white screen, and meter scale. Next after that, take a V stand and place it on a long nearly 2 meters. Here to here, 2 meters. Table at the middle of the place a convex lens on the V stand. Place a convex lens on the V stand. This is convex lens. Convex lens. Place on the convex lens and the V stand. After that, imagine the principal axis of the lens. Imagine principal axis of the lens. Light a candle and ask your friend to take the candle far away from the lens. Okay, after that, along the principal axis, adjust the screen. Okay, this candle adjust the screen. A sheet of the white paper placed and perpendicular to the axis. Okay, this is screen perpendicular or vertical, which is an other side of the lens until you get an image on it. Measure the distance of the image from the V stand of the lens and also measure the distance between candle and stand of the lens. Measure the distance of image V stand to screen image and measure the distance between candle and lens. Candle to screen object distance, lens and screen image distance U and V. Now place the candle at a distance of 50 centimeters. Now place the candle at a distance of 50 centimeters from the lens such that the flame of the candle on the principal axis of the lens. Try to get an image of the candle flame on the other side of the screen. Okay, other side of the screen. This image, inverted image. Okay, clear image. Measure the image distance V from the lens and record the values of U and V in a table. This table column first one serial number 1 and second column object distance U. Next one image distance V. Next one focal length serial number 1, second one object distance U, image distance V, focal length F. Serial number 1 object distance I am taken 50. Object distance 50. Okay, clear image exactly value 34. Convex lens and clear image 34. Okay, this focal length 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This formula 50 into 34 by 50 plus 34 exactly value 20 centimeter. This focal length value 20 centimeters. Now next one, now place the candle at a distance of 48 centimeters. The candle of 48 centimeter from the lens such that the flame of the candle on the principal axis of the lens. Try get an image of the candle flame on the other side of the screen. Adjust the screen till you get clear image, inverted image. See the table column See the table column, serial number 2, object distance, I am taking candle. Okay, object distance how much? 48. Okay, image distance, clear image 36. Okay, 48 into 34 by 48 into 36. This value exactly focal length 20.5. 20.5. Okay, after that you calculation these values. Okay, 48 object distance, image distance 36, focal length value 20.5. Okay, repeat these values. I am taking last value, the candle at a distance of 46 from the lens, such that the flame of the candle and the principal axis of the lens. Try to get image of the candle flame and the other side and a screen. Adjust the screen till you get clear image. Okay, this image values, object distance and image distance, write the table value. Write the table value, serial number 3. Okay, 46. Here 38. Here 38. Okay, object distance decreases, values 50, 48 and 46. Object distance value decreases, image distance values increases. Distance value increases. Okay, this value 46 into 38 by 46 plus 38, exactly 20.5. Okay, focal length value, first value 20, second value 20.5, third value 20.5. This is a determination of focal length of double convex lens using U and V method. Focal length value exactly 20 centimeters. This formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. After that, or F is equal to V into U by V plus U. Okay, V into U by V plus U. Okay, this lab activity completed.